How to install a window insulating kit. The path to energy savings is clear with a window insulating kit. Keep drafts and condensation out and warm air in with shrink film window insulation. Simply Conserve window insulation works on a variety of surfaces, but the included double-sided tape should not be applied to wallboard, plaster, veneer paneling, or mahogany molding. Before you get started, grab a hairdryer, a measuring device, scissors or a box cutter, plus a cleaning cloth and/or cleaning solution. A few tips before we begin. We recommend prioritizing windows that face north and any windows that are either cracked or damaged. Sealing these will yield the most immediate results. You can easily identify drafty windows either visually or using sensory tests. Visual clues include obvious gaps or cracks where air could be coming in, lighting bleeding, or condensation accumulating between the glass panes of a double or triple paned window. You can also check for drafts using your hand to feel along the window frame for any air seeping in. Additionally, insulated windows should always stay closed to avoid causing damage to the shrink film. Got everything? Let's begin. Start by checking the temperature of your window. If it feels cold, warm it up with your hairdryer since the insulation won't stick to a window that is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the glass is warm, we're ready to begin. Thoroughly clean and dry the window and its frame to make sure the double-sided tape sticks to its surface. Next, unfold the film and cut it to fit your window, using your measuring device to leave about 2 inches of extra film on all 4 sides. Now, apply the double-sided tape to the outside edge of the window frame. Peel off the liner to expose the outer layer of adhesive. Apply the film to the taped area, pressing gently to create a tight seal. Turn your hairdryer on to its highest heat setting. Holding it roughly a 1/4 inch from the surface of the film, start shrinking the film. Starting at a corner, move the dryer slowly back and forth across the entire surface until all wrinkles and creases are gone. Make sure you do not make contact with the film, otherwise it might melt. Once the film is completely shrunk, you can trim off the excess and give the film a final wipe. When the weather's warmer and you're ready to remove your window insulation film, grab your hairdryer once again and use it to heat the double-sided tape to loosen the adhesive enough so that the film easily pulls away from your window frame. If there's adhesive left over after removing the window insulation film, use your hairdryer to heat it once more, then wash away any residual adhesive by scrubbing it with warm, soapy water. That's it. Simple, smart, and sealed tight for the season. For more DIY energy-saving tips, explore the NYSERDA website